How to open a rig file for animation in Maya in the right way. I am pretty sure that you might be opening the rig file like this. File, open, and then locating your rig file, and bam, your file is open to animate. And now you might be starting to animate directly. Click here, animate, whatever the poses you want to create. Stop doing this. This is the wrong way of opening a rig file for animation. What you should be doing is this: file, reference editor. This is the reference editor. Add and then locate your file and reference. Bang on. We have again opened the file in a different way. Now, how did we open this and why this is the right way? Opening the file directly and then altering into the animation things that will alter your main rig file. When you're working on a project, your rig file is the asset file. That should not be changed. Only a rigger will change the rig file. What happens is if 100 animators are working on that particular project, what do you think? 100 animators will open the rig file? No, that is the wrong way. Use the reference editor, call the file into your Maya file and save this file as your animation file. One more important thing is when you save this file, if you see the file size of the one which you animated from the main file and the one which you saved after referencing the file, you will have 10x less space occupied when you save the file as a reference file. So make sure you do the animation by opening the file in this way and not directly opening the rig. That is the wrong way of animating the things. If you like this video, follow me for more videos.